I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, the head coach for JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. That's a site with curated information you can watch, listen to, or read that will help you find work more quickly. Now, the question I'm going to answer for today is one that I think it works well if you were to be asked this for a senior position or a staff position. So from the standpoint of answering the question, I think the answer is going to work in both contexts. So the question for today is, do you understand our corporate culture? Now, let's assume we were talking about a well-known organization, public firm, yada, yada, yada. So the correct answer would wind up being, I know what you want us to know. After all, you have a well-oiled publicity machine, and PR for the organization is spectacular. People talk about the firm in this, that, or the other way, and you describe how the organization is thought of from a positive perspective. But from there, you continue on by saying, but we both know this is part of what you're putting out into the world. There are people who leave this organization who, if I called, would say something different. How do you perceive the corporate culture? Because you're living in it. I'm not. I'm reading about it. I'm talking to people who work for the firm and who leave the firm. How do you see the corporate culture? What does it take to be successful here? And thus you turn the question back to them so that they talk about it. And thus you're giving them a non-BS type of answer because what you're saying is true. Like if we were talking about Apple or Facebook, we would talk about smart organizations with enthusiastic people who are committed to, it's all this publicity stuff that each organization puts out in order to be seen in a favorable light. We reward success. We've got a top management team. We are committed to excellence. Tell me what firm doesn't say that. But the reality is different. And it's far more nuanced. And thus you want to remind them of that so that in this way you can get some real insights from them about the positives and the challenges that the organization is facing directly from them. So I hope you found this helpful. Hope you give it a great review. If you're watching this on YouTube or on Facebook, just give it a great comment. And if you want to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, let's see now, where is it? There we go. Click the icon there that will allow you to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in my coaching you, reach out to me. The best way to do it is through LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/the Big Game Hunter. Mention that you saw the video because I'd like knowing I'm helping some folks. And once we're connected, message me that you're interested in coaching. We'll set up time for a free discovery call. If you just have a couple of questions, best way to connect with me and ask me what your questions are through either PrestoExperts.com or through an app called Magnify, which is iOS only. Schedule a time for us to speak through LinkedIn, and let's get acquainted. Have a great day. Take care.